Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the actual assets, the original video and the highest quality audio track you can find, ideally stems. Once done, back up the originals and open a digital audio workstation or editor that supports source separation. You do this because removing background music without the dry vocal is impossible if you only have a mixed file. Make sure to work on a copy so any extraction mistakes can be reversed, and keep the video file handy for later resync. Next, perform the actual separation. Run a source separation pass to isolate vocals or dialogue from the music. Once done, refine the result with EQ to cut frequency bands where the music dominates, apply noise reduction to suppress bleed, and manually edit problem sections. You want a vocal-first track with minimal music bleed. This is why iterative passes and listening at multiple volumes matter. When satisfied, export that cleaned audio at the same sample rate and bit depth as the video to avoid sync drift. Finally, replace the audio in the video. Either use YouTube Studio's editor to remove the original track and add your cleaned file, or re-export the video with the new audio and upload it as a new version. Once done, check sync across the whole timeline and publish. If things go wrong, for example, dialogue sounds thin or traces of music remain, go back to the editor, adjust separation parameters, use mild reverb or compression to restore naturalness, then re-export and replace again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.